Bistro Village's success reflects the luxury industry's challenges as well as adaptations. Luxury brands are increasingly using outlet centers to manage excess inventory and maintain brand control at the same time. This is driven by a softening demand in China as well as in the West. The model also highlights the enduring importance of in person experience driven retail, with outlets offering Instagram worthy stores, fine dining, and VIP service. However, the expansion is limited by regulatory hurdles and operational costs, revealing a ceiling to growth even as global demand evolves. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this video. In this video, we wanted to share with you the Bistro Village boom as well as what it means for luxury's next chapter. The success of Bistro Village highlights the challenges being faced by luxury sector today. With demand softening in key markets like China as well as in the West, brands are increasingly relying on outlet channels to drive the sales. Bain's data points to outlet sales as one of the few areas that is showing growth, suggesting that full price demand is faltering. Once seen as a nice to have, outlet presence has now become a strategic necessity for brands seeking to offload excess inventory without diluting the brand equity in their flagship stores. Value Retail's Village model allows the brands to control discounting and customer experience, avoiding the risk of deep discounting with third-party retailers. Luxury brands are now prioritizing direct-to-consumer channels, for example, their own stores, their websites, as well as concessions driven through their stores, over the wholesale model. Outlets like the Bistro Village fit into this strategy, offering a controlled environment for discounts while maintaining a brand-approved experience. Despite the rise of e-commerce, Value Retail's foot traffic underscores that luxury customers still value in-person shopping, especially for high-ticket items. Boston Consulting Group's estimate that 75 to 80% of luxury sales still remain in physical stores reflects this trend. To attract shoppers, Value Retail invests in high-end amenities, for example, upscale dining, Instagram-friendly storefronts, and five-star amenities. This aligns with luxury consumers' expectations that shopping itself should be an experience worth making a trip for. Value Retail's success also reveals the challenges for luxury outlets: high operating costs due to design, staff, as well as amenities. The regulatory hurdles in the fast-growing markets, for example in Middle East and in countries like India, further limit expansion. And a finite number of consumers globally willing to buy discounted luxury products. The key takeaway out here is that Bistro Village's success is a barometer for the luxury industry, which is grappling with weaker demand on one hand and an urgent need to manage excess stock while maintaining brand prestige on the other hand. It also signals that experience-driven physical retail remains the key to luxury's future, even in the age of e-commerce. And that's all that we wanted to share with you in this particular video. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Do stay tuned in.